Richmond Country Farms, located in Richmond, British Columbia, has been family owned and operated for over 40 years. They grow a varieties of fruits and vegetables, including tomatoes, potatoes, watermelon, pumpkins, and different types of squash. In the fall, they have a popular pumpkin patch, and during the summer, their farm is full of fresh, seasonal produce. Everything is grown with care, making it a great place to find healthy local food. They also cultivate unusual produce like heirloom and unique varieties that are not typically found in regular grocery stores.
You may not think much about how a strong Canadian oil and gas industry affects your daily life. From getting where we need to go to essentials we need delivered to things we rely on to keep society running. But what if that system suddenly stopped working? How much would you miss the time when you didn't have to think about it? See how we're helping Canada run smoothly at Synovus.com.
Like if you're really transparent, you take care of your growers into a solid process to ensure that these customers are getting the best you can offer them. And if you have a team like ours, it's been specialized and used for the last 25 years, it's really amazing.